I'm really happy to be in London Design Festival as part of the inspiration trip of Design Road Professional Dubai program. It's an amazing opportunity for young talented designers who had participated in this program to attend London Design Week, London Design Festival with these amazing partners like Kingston University, among others. Being in London is so important for all of us as an inspiration trip because we can get in touch with the most advanced design trends and movements around the world, especially that they can really discover these massive production design companies, limited edition and collectors designers. I mean, they can find whatever they are interested in, and I assume that they're having so lovely time here in London.
This is an opportunity that not everyone can get, but I think we were lucky to be part of this program and to get that exposure. Personally, in my career, in my journey in design, this trip and this program was a source of information. It gave me a lot in terms of what the other international designers are doing and what's going on in the international scene of design. And that will benefit me to improve my creativity, my design process, and my production and quality.
London right now is at the core of what I would call the burgeoning field of design practice at the moment. It's filled with emerging talents that are coming from everything from speculative design to product design, critical design, conceptual design. It embraces sort of all philosophies within the world of our practice. I had the opportunity to take part in Design Roads Dubai last December, and I think it's a fantastic continuation of the project to be able to offer young professionals from Dubai a chance to come to London and experience some of what we have to offer.
We're really pleased that Design Road Dubai Professional are part of this professional visit to the London Design Festival in 2012. We've just celebrated the Olympics here in London, and one of the reasons we won the Olympic bid is exactly the same reason that design is so important for our economy. We are a multicultural, culturally diverse city, and it's a great pleasure to invite young designers and curators from Dubai who can experience some of the innovations in design that London is leading. It's great to see them, and we've learnt a lot from them, and we hope they'll learn a lot from us. Kingston University is incredibly pleased and proud to be part of this initiative with Dubai, and we look forward to working with them in the years to come.
I believe working within the Design Road Professional program enabled us to develop our concepts in a very steady manner and in an effective manner as well. For example, the project template is a very good example. It helps us develop the concepts and the products as well in a very effective and steady way. I believe I will be working within the same template, inshallah, in my future projects.
Creativity, create activity are two words in one. So, why Barcelona's creativity? Because there are many people that come to visit this crazy architect and called Gaudí, because we have a wonderful city, we have a wonderful soccer team that they play very good, they are very innovative, and all people recognize where one thing is nice and when one thing is not nice. So, me and my partner, a little bit crazy, a little bit responsible. If you have a good balance, you can surprise everybody. You can surprise the world. World needs good reasons, good surprises, and good ideas to go forward. Let's go.
What I'll take away from my design road experience is just how to understand the different directions that a product designer currently in the world can pursue, and then select the direction that most suits you, suits your style and your abilities and the current state of design in the UAE, and come up with a concept and a design that is representative of you and meets all the design constraints that we face as product designers in terms of materials and processes and finishing and so on. For my particular piece, I had to do a lot of experimentation with different mathematical methods to come up with a geometric piece that has an interesting play with shadow and light, that you can see a different pattern of light whenever you look at it from different directions.
I'd like to say how wonderful it has been to be able to receive this group of young designers from Dubai here in Barcelona in our institution, ADIFAD, the Industrial Design Association for Spain, based in Barcelona. Our remit generally is to support design, to encourage design and designers, and also to establish links, obviously, between different countries, different ways of doing and understanding design. And in that sense, it has been really fantastic for us to be able to develop this partnership with CDA and to welcome a group of very inquisitive, very energetic young designers who hopefully will have gained some inspiration from the very different ways in which design is approached in Barcelona and the very wealth of products and processes and professional approaches to the field that they have found here. I wish them all a very, very productive session.
One of the most challenging but also was most interesting part of the project was having the freedom to choose any product to design and any medium. And as much as it was challenging, it was really nice to go look for different materials here in Dubai, meeting different craftsmen, meeting different blacksmiths, carpenters, any people who had great skills in handmade objects.
Programs adapted to the real educational needs of the student and that fit perfectly with their professional needs. This relationship allows Elisaba to help their students when they finish their studies, their careers, and they start working as professionals.
Through the program Design Road Professional, we notice also the need and also the talent that we have over here in the UAE, and how much they're looking forward for this kind of program. From the side of Dubai Culture and Art Authority, we're trying to focus on them, how to upgrade or take advantage of the talent, and to improve the talent, and also to make it more close to industrial side, to be linked and to be aware of not just as the creativity side, also as industrial side. This program, it did help and did also give a platform and an education side to understand the other side they might not be familiar, plus to also to make the relationship, to communicate, to continue to improve, and also in the end to be able to produce something creative, will be good as artistic design, and also will be as industrial side will be acceptable.
Since 2008, Tashkil has been opened, and our mission is to support artists and designers living in the United Arab Emirates. So if a person doesn't necessarily have a space to work in, they can easily come and work in our creative environment. So we're equipped with studio equipment, a dark room, a printmaking studio, a fine art studio. Our mission is to support talent here and nurture them and allow them to work in a creative environment and meet new creative people. The reason we support an initiative like the Design Road Pro is because we've actually worked with Design Road in 2011 and offered a series of workshops, and it was a positive response. And it was a great environment as well because a lot of interaction and people met different people from different creative fields. So we worked on Design Road Pro again because it's a great opportunity for Emirati designers to develop their talent, to meet international designers and creative people, develop their skills. The design scene here is budding and growing, so this is a great opportunity to allow this to nurture this growth.